Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar and this is the end of day 18. Well, I was not able to upload any videos yesterday, but yeah, I did study. That was because of my internet problem. Yesterday was decent. Today was also decent. I won't say it was good or great, but it was decent, and I think I will be able to pick up my pace from tomorrow onward. I am thinking about changing few stuffs in my plan, and one of them is I won't actually be giving too much mock tests. I will from tomorrow onward I will revise, mental revision. I won't be going through every piece of note I have. I will be trying to remember what I am forgetting, and then I will study only those concepts till JEE mains and give one or two mock tests. And I said it will be a 20 days JEE preparation, but I think I uploaded only 15, and I don't really have intentions of uploading any more videos. I think there's only 6 days. If you will exclude today, there's only 5 days left. So in these 5 days, I will try to focus as much as I can on my studies. So that is one of the reason I won't be uploading any videos. I might continue, or after JEE mains and advance I might share my days. The upcoming 5 days I might share the videos with you, but yeah. So, and I might also make video on my JEE advanced preparation. So yeah, that's it. And thank you guys for sticking till now. you know uh, there are only around 15 viewers, and I'm glad that at least 15 people are watching me. So yeah, thank you for sticking, and I will be uploading more videos later on. So yeah.